This is 10.1, Simplifying Radicals. Welcome to quarter 4, the very first unit of online distance learning. Today we're going to learn how to simplify radicals using prime numbers. And I want you to think about how can we do this? How come we can take a number out of the with the exponent to outside of a radical? So a whole bunch of words that you do not know, or maybe you heard of, but you're not sure exactly what they are. So the first and most important word is a radical. What the heck is a radical? I'm sure you've seen this sign before. This is to represent a radical, which is, this sign is also what the square root is. Okay, but I'll define what the square root is in just a second. So when we talk about square, so a square, you know a square is that. Okay, but when we talk about simplifying radicals with squares, we write this in terms of, for example, x to the second power, or x squared. That means square. So what that really is x times x gives you x squared. That's what it is. Okay, and then as I mentioned before, square root is this thing. So the square root and the square, these guys are like, they're opposites. It's like multiplication and division, how they're opposite of each other. A square root and a square are opposite of each other. They are what we use to cancel something out. Okay. Quickly, to define prime number, you'll see that in a bit. Prime numbers are just the smallest numbers that cannot be broken down anymore. An exponent, another word for exponent is power. So like this is exponent of 2 or power of 2. So go ahead and write those vocabulary down.